Hey guys, so I've only just recently started my YouTube channel to focus on the build of my Yas Marina F80 here. And I've only made a few videos so far and I have a ton more to make, but somewhere along the way plans changed just a little bit. Okay, so imagine thinking that filming at a park on probably the nicest day of the year being a good idea. It wasn't. So I was going for a change of scenery a little bit, but not today. So we're back home and let's try this again. Hey guys, so we're going to take a little break from the Yas Marina today to introduce the newest member of the family, and that is my wife's, or my son's, depending on who you'd ask, 2018 M3 Competition in Nardo Grey. So we found this car online at a dealership out of Colorado, and it was just too good to pass up. It's 5,600 miles, a lot of packages, a lot of M Performance add-ons right from the factory, and the previous owner did a few aftermarket upgrades as well. So it would have been cool to, do the almost cross-country trip to pick it up and drive it home, but it's 1,700 miles is a little more than we wanted to put on it right out of the gate, so we had it shipped. But in any case, let's do a quick overview on what it's got. All right, so there were 3 M Performance packages the previous owner got, and I'm not sure if that was everything that was available or just a couple of them, but what it came with was this polyurethane front lip and carbon fiber splitters. I think the lip looks awesome, although I probably would replace it with a carbon fiber one just to keep it consistent. Then there was the mirror caps, the door sill logo, although I don't know, that might come off. It feels a little chapped, but it's all right. And then on the back, you get the spoiler, the diffuser, and then the M Performance exhaust with the carbon fiber exhaust tips. The system just sounds killer. On the interior, you get the carbon fiber door pulls, which I'm actually not sure if that was part of a package or something that was added later, but either way, I love them. I'm definitely going to add them to my car. You get that, the shifter surround and the e-brake handle, the Alcantara armrest and e-brake boot, which, by the way, I never really thought I'd like Alcantara. Anytime I saw pictures of it, I wasn't a big fan, but in person, it's actually really nice. So you also get the steering wheel and the stainless steel pedals, and they look familiar. Finally, under the hood, we have an Eventuri intake, which is awesome. Carbon fiber painted engine cover from, I think, IND, and BMS charge pipes. And I need to get this thing up on jacks and find out whether or not the downpipes have been upgraded. I don't think they have, and I'm not sure that it's been tuned, but it does feel faster, but that could also just be because it's DCT. All right, so I think that's about it, but despite everything that's already been done to this car, I still think there's plenty of room for more. So Matthew, if you ever see this, beautiful job on the car. We will definitely take very good care of her. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Something just occurred to me, like, the channel is supposed to be at the Yas Marina, and we didn't even do an intro for that. Now this thing shows up and it's all like, I'm the star now? What the shit is that?